Hello, my name is Maria Elena Sanchez Cano. I am single. I am from San Roque, Antioquia. I am 33 years old. I am a nurse assistant. I am security and hold the work in the UNAT. I live in San Roque, Antioquia. In my free time, I go at church with my children. I like to go at listen to music and go out for by ride. The main touristic places of the town or the Paro Santa Rosita. The Savior helped up the Alpes, and the typical food in the my town is paisa dream and chicken sancocho. Besides the celebration, my town added Equino festivals. In the festivals, cordiality. In my time, I can't go for at what they painting sometimes dance and the theater class. Spend time on the open, the parkway, my friends.